Budgeting Basics, your money's personal roadmap. Welcome to our guide on budgeting, a way to manage your money and achieve your goals. Imagine your finances as pieces of a puzzle and budgeting as the tool that helps you put them all together. First, know your income sources. This could be your salary, gig work, or any money you earn. List your expenses, everything you spend money on, from essentials to treats. Group expenses into categories for a clear view of your spending. Set spending limits for each category to ensure balance. Follow your plan. Track your spending and compare it to your budget. Learn and adjust. If you overspend in one category, balance it out next time. Budgeting helps you achieve goals. Whether it's saving, paying off debt, or planning a dream trip. Budgeting is your financial roadmap, guiding you to make the most of your money and achieve your dreams. It's not about restrictions, it's about empowerment. So, get ready to take control of your finances and shape your financial success. If you enjoyed this video or feel like you have learned something new, please like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend.